And today we're with our dog Max. He's a white lab and he's only about 4 months old. Max, come here. So we also have these treats to train him during the show, so it would go perfect. So I'm gonna be the grandma in Little Red Riding Hood, and I'm gonna be Little Red Riding Hood. And I'm gonna be I'm gonna act out his voice and be the narrator because dogs can talk too. Max, come here. And Max is gonna be the wolf. So let's get started. Yes. Okay. So So the narrator goes first. Okay. So narrator. Okay. So we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Narrator. Once upon a time, there was Little Red Riding Hood and her mom. Go deliver these banana breads to your grandma. Don't take too long and don't take any shortcuts. Okay. Little Red Riding Hood went to the trail. Mother said not to take shortcuts, but she'll not know. Little Red Riding Hood is walking down the trail until she saw a wolf. Where are you heading? To my grandma's house. Where does your grandma's house live? Across the street. Why? No reason. The wolf went to grandma's house. Attack her, Max. Yum 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 yum. Okay, now Max is the big bad wolf, and he's eating grandma. Little Red Riding Hood went to grandma's house. Sit. Hey grandma, what big ears you got? I've been listening to lots of music. What big nose you got there? I've been having a stuffy nose. And what big teeth you got? I've been biting wood. Wait, grandma had none of those things. I can't handle it anymore. I'm the big bad wolf. Ah! Okay, good boy. And they all lived happily ever after. I hope you enjoyed today's act, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. Bye.